Hi, this is Jim Smith, former Livestock Information Manager for Pioneer, now an area manager, just sitting here with Chad Erickson, talking to him about the benefits of 11C33 as an inoculant for our corn silage. Chad, you sell a lot of it. Tell us a little bit about what you're up against right now.
Yeah, this is Chad Erickson here from Cropping Central. We're located in central Wisconsin, and we do a lot of dairy business. We're probably 90% of our customer base is dairy, so we do a lot of forages and definitely sell a lot of inoculants. And just like you to kind of walk through maybe what your experience has been as far as explaining how the inoculants work and what kind of value they can bring to the dairyman today. Even in these tough markets, are inoculants worth it, Jim?
You bet, especially in regards to the 11C33. That's the one I'll concentrate on today, Chad.
Okay.
It's really what we call a combination product. And as I walk through some numbers that I want to share with you, I'll try to help you understand where all the benefits come from. But I'm going to give you some numbers to remember right now. I want you to remember the number 6, the number 700, the number 42. There's going to be a number you plug in for the price of corn, and then 56, 0.85, and $1.96. So let me walk through those numbers real quick right now.
Okay.
So the 2% that I'm going to talk about first is the amount of dry matter savings that you have on the front end of that fermentation cycle that 11C33 brings. Because again, it's a combination product that brings not only good front end fermentation savings, but also savings at the end. That's where the 4% comes in. So we have 2% dry matter savings on the front end, 4% dry matter savings on the back end, for a total of 6% dry matter savings that 11C33 offers.
It sounds like a lot.
You bet it is. So let's take it another step. I said the next number was 700. That's what's in your corn silage on a typical basis for dry matter pounds. So a typical corn silage, you're going to be around 35% dry matter. If you take that 2,000 pounds times 0.35, okay, you're going to end up at about 700 pounds of dry matter in that corn silage ton. Okay. So what does that mean? All right, if we're saving 6% of that dry matter with using 11C33, you take that 700 pounds times that 0.06%, that comes out to that next number I asked you to remember of 42. So within that calculation, you're going to have 42 pounds of dry matter that if you use 11C33 versus no inoculant is what you're going to save in that ton of corn silage. The key thing that you want to remember with that 42 pounds is it's not just about that total corn silage pile. It's the most valuable nutrients in that corn silage. What we utilize to equilibrate that cost that this 11C33 is providing in savings is corn, because it's going to help replace sugars, acids that are some of the most digestible nutrients in the corn silage. So one of the things that we would replace it with would be corn. So that next number I talked about would be, let's call corn price right now $3.75.
Okay.
Divide that by the 56 pounds that's in a bushel of corn.
Yep.
Divide that by 0.85 to get down to a dry matter basis, so that we're talking about 700 pounds, 42 pounds of dry matter within that 700. That's going to get down to about 7.9 cents per pound of dry matter in corn, times that 42, right? So we get down to here to the math, times that 7.9 cents, we are going to end up with a savings of about $3.32. Today, our full list price on 11C33 is $1.96. So if you look at $3.32 of savings per ton compared to $1.96 per cost of ton application of the 11C33, that's a 170% return on investment. And right now, with what we have as far as the one season selling and being able to apply those spring purchases discounts, you think about that, that could be up to a 237% return on investment. So even in today's challenging dairy economic environment, we have a tremendous value offering with the 11C33 on the corn silage.
It sure sounds like it, so I think we're going to be talking a lot more about that on the farms.
Great.